All right, Chaz, what we got going on today for this video?
I had to get the old girl some new jewelry, I guess.
The old tie pipe.
She deserves it, so.
Oh, yeah.
Got a little scratch in this one, so I figured it was time for a new one.
Should do a little start up for the stock.
Yeah, for a little stalker.
There we go.
Dude, this thing's a pain. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Get the final install on the old pipe, just a slip on though.
Now I need to adjust.
She's looking pretty good.
Looking right.
Big difference off the rip on the pressure. It's too much for the old bike.
Bark's pretty good, dude. Or did.
Oh, you did? Dope.
That thing barks, dude.
I don't even know if the camera will pick that up.
So loud. Later on.
So we got the freshie on there, out with the old and with the new. Once again, upgrades.
Hey, well, shit. Yeah, shoot me a text.